Wow. Computer, how about you call your mother once in a while? Nah, I really don't know if I can do any better than that. I'm sorry. Wow. Computer, how about you compute? Oh, fuck, shut the fuck up. Some bitches. Nah, no, I'm really not feeling it tonight, am I? Computer! Yeah, I sure hope it's done. So, clearly based on the stream opening, I have no skills, and that's why I'm here. Oh no. Oh, good lord. Wow. I sure do enjoy being in my mid-30s and having zero employable skills. Because clearly my sense of humor isn't going to get me hired anywhere. Oh no. Me when I turn the volume down just a smidge. Oh, what do you figure that? Just a smidge. Is backseating allowed this stream? I haven't even started and people are asking if they can correct my errors. Like, yeah, we all know how this is gonna go. Preemptively speaking, of course. Oh no. Well, can we? I'll have to see, yeah. Oh god. Welcome to the... the economy. Welcome to the economy, apparently. Oh no. I think I saw Zoe playing this game, and that's why we're here. Sometimes shit just do be happening. I'm miming along to the song in the background. You can really tell, yeah. Shit's bad. The economy. If I just say the economy enough, surely we'll get somewhere. I am a grown-ass adult. I have wait, no, you can't say that at the start of a YouTube video. Or maybe you can. I don't remember. Let's try that one again. Ahem. I am a fully grown adult. I have zero employable skills, and I need video games to teach me how to do anything. Yeah! Yeah, I think that's undone. How many can we get in one stream, baby? It's bad. It's bad out here. Oh no. I saw Zoe playing this game, just like on a Discord call. Wait a second. On a Discord call. And I was like, ooh. Well, that, yeah. And then I bought the game, and now I own the game, and now I'm playing the game. There's not a grand story behind a lot of these choices, I'm gonna be fully honest. Also, I'm gonna drink my own drink. How do I not get tired of that early end stream title card gag? I mean, I think that really says something about how many can we get? At least it's not Bookworm Adventures, the 2006 video game. Listen, stream Bookworm Adventures once, shame on me. Stream Bookworm Adventures twice, shame on me. Stream Bookworm Adventures 3 times in a row specifically, and like, something's deeply wrong with this guy. That's an unhealthy amount of Bookworm Adventures. You're never gonna believe what this weekend's video is gonna be on. You know, I need a real banger video this week, considering like the Christmas ad rates are so high, and like I just got out of contract. I want to be making that money. What am I gonna make a video on? Something that people have thought about in the last checks scrawled writing on hand. 19 years? No. We only make good content on this channel. Oh no. It's true. Rin is 2025's #1 PopCap streamer. By which I mean I am the only PopCap streamer. It's easy to be #1 when you have no competition. Oh dear. Oh no. I'm watching this stream while struggling with trying to figure out a programming project. It's like co-working, but evil. Evil. Sick. Twisted, fucked up co-working. So most co-working, in all honesty. Oh god. Well, you know what? I think it's about time to learn some employable skills. But not before I do the thing, which is where I remind you that the makeshift merch goes off sale on Sunday at 10 PM England time. It's got a counter on the website. You go on there, it's gonna tell you how long it is. We're gonna probably do another countdown stream to that going off sale again because I find that amusing as a concept. Wow, extra bonus Sunday stream. It's a Christmas miracle. Oh dear. I'm confused. I thought we were coding. No, we're doing shameless self-promotion. And then we're coding. In that order. In that order. Oh dear. It's time to learn me an employable skill. Learn is a strong word. Oh. This window contains information about everything in the game. It's a very short game in that case. You can move windows around by dragging and dropping the grey part of the window. You can move around by dragging anywhere outside the windows. To get started with programming, go to the first program page by clicking it. Be sure to check out the buttons in the top right corner of the screen. Hover over them to see a tooltip explaining what they do. One of them opens the tech tree. Why is there a tech tree in my fun hobbyist programming project? Huh? You just unlocked the square bracket! I see. I understand now. Goodbye. Oh. Oh yeah, he's gone. It's a good window sound, yeah. Oh, goodbye. Where am I? Table of contents. Cross. Do a flip! Yo! All programming is done in code windows. Each code window corresponds to a text file containing code. You can rename the file by clicking on its name at the top of the window. Code McCode face. It's a national pride, what can I say? Create more code files using the plus button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can dock a window to another window by dragging it onto it. Get over it. I'll understand that one day. Far too easily entertained. You will notice that once you start typing, a simple code completion window will pop up. Press Tab to insert the code completion. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the completion options. Don't worry if this is your first time programming. Oh, thank God they've considered my skill level. My coding experience is like learned the smallest possible amount of Python in secondary school, and that's it. Like really below the bare minimum. Like what have I got? Print. Ah! No, yeah, no, that's a bad sign. Oh. No, I can do this. I can. Ah! That's not a valid statement. Yeah. I get that a lot. Oh dear, I might be a little bit out of practice. The syntax is also similar to that of Python. Oh, thank God. Which is one of the most widely used programming languages in the world, so learning it is not completely wasted, it's just mostly wasted. I say as if I ever learned anything. If you already know Python, it's not a problem either. You'll just be able to skip the early game quickly to get to the more interesting stuff. Currently, there are 2 drone commands available. It's probably me drone, yeah. Harvest and do a flip! Oh, you know I got it. Go. Go. Do a flip. 2 Steam achievements for that. I'm basically the off the top of my head, I can't name anyone who's famous for programming, and I don't know if that's a bad reflection on me or in society. Yo! Oh, he did do a flip, yeah. How do I can remember this. If skateboard skills equals true, do a flip. Else, do a flip. Skateboard skills equals true. They hate me. Can't have shit. I just wanted to make it do a flip. Do a flip. I can get this. Return. Return. Oh. I got a Steam achievement for causing a runtime error. Sick. Was it the I'll learn the boo! Boo, I say! No, I can do this. I can do a flip. Return name. No, that's not what I do a flip. Do another flip. Do another flip. Do another flip. If, else. Yo! My code is flawless and works flawlessly with no flaws whatsoever. My God, I'm good. Is she stupid? Yeah, I am. I should probably listen to the instructions. Maybe I should do the farming part of this farming game. Harvest. Go. No, don't. Go. Oh. Infinite corn! What are we farming here? Corn? Wheat? Oh, I love that. Oh, that looks fun. No, enter is not play. I see. That was sick as shit. Collecting grass will give you hay. Hay can be used to unlock loops in the unlock menu. I have to unlock loops? Oh, sorry, I've been punching above my weight, it seems. I haven't unlocked return if else trues in the skill tree. What do you... I need a bit more grass, yeah. Where did you say my skill tree is? Unlock menu with the button in the top right corner. That might, no, that's not it. No. Unlock tree. While. Yes! Yes! You have unlocked the while loop, and the values false and true! Oh my, this is fun. I'm having a good time of it. No game sound. Was there meant to be game sound? You don't hear the beautiful bird song on a brisk spring morn? I think you gotta start, like, listening with your soul, man. No, now I can't hear it. Damn. Don't worry about creating infinite loops, but I want to create an infinite flip loop! Boo! While condition loop body. Oh, this might be an uphill battle for me. The sound hasn't been coded in yet. Yeah, it happens. Okay. I can do this. While true. Do a flip. I've got to stop hitting enter when I want it to start. No! While true, colon. No! No! Flawless. That's enough. That's enough of that. My God, he's a coding genius. Okay, he can harvest and then he can do a flip. But like productive, in a productive way. My God, he's good. Okay, so I'm already getting confused. I got this. While the while loop takes a condition, which is a logical value that can only be in one of two states, true or false. We got the booleans. Yeah, my values, boolean. What are you gonna do about it, punk? The loop then executes this code inside the loop until the condition is false. The while loop looks like this. And then it loops and loops and it loops and it loops and it loops and it loops and loops, it loops. Fruit Loops. Sick. I understand entirely what I'm seeing, guy who is not looking. Wait a second. To create a constant Boolean value that is always true, you can simply write true. Yeah, that's fair. Whilst false do a flip. Wrong! I don't agree in this. The first will never do a flip, and the second will always do a flip. Normally creating an infinite loop is a bad idea. Yeah, they do say that. But in this game, there are delays between each iteration of the loop, so it will cause the drone to keep doing a flip. Hell yeah, brother! And remember to do indents or a programmer will cry. Understandable. I did it. I unlocked Fruit Loops. What else have I got? Hats. Oh, that's sick as shit. Okay, I'll make it go faster with my skill tree. It goes faster now. It's been doubled. He does flips at twice the velocity. The problem is that the drone now harvests faster than grass can grow, resulting in no harvest at all. To deal with this, if branches and to deal with this, if give me a second. To deal with this, if branches and the can harvest function are now unlocked. Yeah, this might be beyond me. It's okay though, because he does a flip every single time he harvests, because he's just so cool. So actually, that's not a problem at all in my code. I was thinking 15 steps ahead. The new function, can harvest, provides a better condition. Can harvest returns true if the plant under the drone can be harvested, and false otherwise. Okay, you wait. You wait right there. So, if can harvest, that's the sound of the punctuation. I see. So he harvests one time and then he gives up. Understandable. Me too. The return value essentially means that after the functionality is executed, the function call expression evaluates the return. Those words have more than 6 letters. This might be an uphill battle for me. The if runs. Can harvest is called. Can harvest does its thing! Okay, so it... I can do this. While... Let me go back. What the fuck am I doing? While loop. While true. While true. If can harvest, and then do a lowercase while. Okay. My god, I'm a genius! My backflip code, it just works! It just works! I'm starting to wonder if maybe forcing my drone to do backflips all the time might be interfering a little bit with the efficiency. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Well, it's okay, because you know what? I think just right away, whilst that's running, we can add a comment. Comment's just gonna be, runs perfectly. Flawless code with no flaws whatsoever. I presume this is what most code looks like in most instances of code being present. Just screaming in the comments. I wrote this last week and I don't remember any of it. What the fuck am I looking at? Oh no. And of course, you know. I gotta buy me a hat. Hats are vital for the programming process. So we're going to add a new function. While true, if can harvest, and then do a flip, and then... I can make this work. I can make this work. If hats equals hats dot, no, you gotta put it in parentheses. Hats dot brown dot hat dot hat, and then I can just copy paste the code. A colon is, yeah, no, that's fair, I understand. If the hat is that, then if hats equals gray hat, you see, I got this, guys. Please trust the process. I want him to change his hat every single time. Okay, no, fuck you. No, I got this. It's fine. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Now, if the hats... No, that's too many equals. If the... Please don't give me an error message. I'm very, very conscious about the lack of quality in my code. If the hat is purple hat, then we're gonna change the hat to be green. Else, we're gonna change the hat to be brown. Wow. Change, yes. And I'm sure that my code is going to work flawlessly. What does that mean? Clearly I'm not smart enough for that. What is... You can't just say a code block must contain... No, get out of my way. You can't just say a code block must contain at least one statement. Is that better? Oh. No! My hat code! Unlocks operators must be unlocked before the... No! No, my code was just too advanced! I haven't unlocked it in the skill tree yet! No! Oh god, I gotta... Alright. Operators. Operators. The operators is all the way down here! My hat code! I thought I was so smart, but instead, I'm ahead of my time is what this is. I'm actually too good at coding, and the game just can't keep up with me. I've never been delusional in my life, and I don't plan to start now. What do you mean I need wood? Where do I get wood? You can't just say unlock cost 20 wood. Oh god, there's a lot on the screen. I'm feeling very overwhelmed. Okay, we're gonna minimize code McCodeface. We're gonna rename code McCodeface. Epic hat flip skills. It's important to name your files in a way that's relevant to what they are meant to do. I have to presume. So we're gonna start a new code, and it's code 2. 2Python. While true, harvest, and then do a flip. Why would you do this to me? No, I'm just so good. Okay, now we'll preserve the flips. We'll wait until later for the flips. Okay, and no, that's not what I want. Can harvest. So, while true, if can harvest. The bracket. If you can harvest, then do it. Efficiency has been quintupled on the farm. I should probably also look into doing other things at the same time. Increase the yield of grass. Don't have enough grass. It expands the farmland. More farm. Just got an achievement. It grew. Yeah, buddy, it sure did. Your farm has grown. The space is not much use if you can't move the drone. So there is a new function, move, that moves the drone. Move requires that you specify the direction in which you want the drone to move. There are 4 new constants for this. North, south, east, and west. So... If can harvest, stop that. If can harvest. If you can harvest, harvest. Else, move north. And my code has no flaws whatsoever. Oh my god, it actually works. I'm just that good. I'm just that good. I just can't stop winning. I just can't stop winning. Yeah, there's a reason I never got hired in the tech industry. Like, boss, that guy at the other desk, he keeps screaming every time his code works. It's incredibly difficult to get any work done in the office anymore. John Code, CEO of technology. Every single technology ever. Except for the ones that aren't cool. I'm thinking like rollerblade technology mostly. My god. I just can't stop winning. I just can't stop winning. What else? I need wood for that. Unlocks planting. Or I could increase the yield of grass. My god. My god, I'm good. Yes. Yes! Right. And then... grass is nice because it grows automatically. All other plants have to be planted. With the plant function! My god. Okay. So... I'm gonna have to research polyculture. Polycultures be damned, I just want to farm. Or code. Or grill. I'm really not sure which one it is anymore. Okay. Else. Okay, we're gonna try something new. If you can't harvest, then plant entities dot bush. Dot capital B bush. And then he's gonna plant a bush. So it is working. I feel like we could stand to be a little more efficient about it. Wait a second. Nami, thank you for the raid. I am the world's greatest coder, and that's what this stream is about. Please trust. But it does work. It does work. And I refuse to hear otherwise. This is a functional farm. I'm gonna let this mine Bitcoin on my CPU or whatever the hell people do. So, wait, no, now I have the wood. Yes. Oh, if I expand the farm, I'm gonna have to figure out more directions, aren't I? Oh. Oh, that's very scary. Oh, I can only function in 2 dimensions. That's a bit much for me. Yeah. Make it go fast. Are those parsnips? My god. I feel like with the speed that the bushes move at, it's... I don't think the speed upgrade to my drone really did much there, yeah. But god, isn't it beautiful? Right. Okay, expand the farm. Okay, I've expanded the farm. I need to find a way to traverse a square grid. With the while loop, this is not possible unless you unlock sensors and operators. I was trying to unlock operators so I could do my cool hat trick! Boo, I say! It is time to introduce the for loop. You can read all about the for loop on the for loop page. Yo, no way. For I in range 5. Oh. This is where it's really gonna start losing me, yeah. Oh dear. Okay, you stop that. Yeah, no, I said you stop that right now. Okay, we have to rewrite my entire program. Okay. The function getWorldSize is also available now. Okay, we're just gonna minimize that. We're gonna put that over up here. We're gonna start a new program. We're gonna function getWorldSize. It's not gonna... I gotta make it... Print. No. Print. None of these are print. None of these are print. Do I have a... No, that's not even how you spell size. It's quite impressive, actually. Print. Print. World size. Okay. But I can do... So I get the world size. And then... Okay, so range n creates a range of numbers from 0 to n minus 1, which has n elements in it. I'm gonna have to remember algebra as well. Okay. Oh no. I can do this. What's the point of getWorldSize if I can't find... It just gets the world size and then it does nothing with it. Arg! Okay, so oh yeah, that might be useful. Okay. So for I in range get world size. Okay, so that replaces the words get word size with the number of world size. So for I in range get world size, bracket, 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 sad face, harvest. No, if can harvest, harvest. Else plant entities dot bush and then move north. I think I've just rewritten the same thing twice. Bracket, 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 sad face is a full move. It's how I feel on the inside. Oh man. Oh no. Also, my code is completely fucked. Also, my code is... It only runs once, yeah. It's not a... There's nothing in that makes it loop, yeah. Yeah, fucked it, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go back to this. While... And we're gonna hit that. We're gonna hit that while true. Bracket, bracket, thing, sad face. No, we're not. Okay, Drone's real confused. Oh, I gotta figure out how to make it go sideways now. For I in range of... And then for I in range of get world size, bracket, 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 sad face. It's gonna do that again, but this time it's gonna go east. My God, he's confused, but he's got the spirit! I don't fully understand if I'm giving enough time to harvest, but it's probably working. My God, look at that! I did this. This was all me. What do you mean task failed successfully? The code is running, is it not? I've never heard of efficiency in my life. Though in my defense, it's like 12 lines. I think maybe optimization is... It'll be nice, yeah. I don't know if it's necessary right now. Make him do a flip. Oh, of course. In that case, I'll just... Yeah. Yeah. I like this more. Okay, stop that. No, 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 no. Yes, no. Move E. No, that's not what I said. E has never been defined. Well, good thing that I didn't make it a variable. Listen, if it works, it works. And I think you'll find that the farm is running. Okay. What else? You want me to get the parsnips? It tills the soils and plants carrots. Ooh. Can I just get more hats, man? Print. I've always wanted to print. Sometimes your code is shit and you need to find out why. The first is execute the program, idiot. Okay, there's breakpoints. And you can... No? You're right there. Oh, that's fine. And the second... Yes. Finally, I get to print. While true. While true. Print. Yeehaw. It. Give me a second. While true. While true. Print yeehaw. Yeehaw has never been... Print yeehaw. Yo! Let's fucking go! You know what? I think I am gonna change this to something slightly more accurate though. Everything's fine. Ah! He's doing fine. Don't worry too much about him. My God. Okay, he can print awesome cool stuff. Sick. And there's a quick print, but I don't care because it's funny when he writes screams into the air. The output window also logs warnings and errors. And there's a TXT, they've made a TXT file on my computer, but that scares me. Output. I mean, yeah, I did code it that way, yeah. I did. I did make him do that, yeah. Let's close output.txt for now. I think we're okay, yeah. Everything is going great. I don't need hints. My farm is working. Some have said. Okay, what else can I upgrade? More speed. No, you need parsnips for that. No, and you need parsnips for that. Operators. Does this mean I just need a bit more grass or whatever the fuck, and then I can get my hat code to work? Yes! Yes! If I want that happening anytime soon, I should probably make the drone stop screaming. Yeah. It's a lot faster when the drone isn't screaming for its life. It's not been harvesting any grass, has it? Let's just... You go. You should go. Go! Harvest my grass! That's more like it. Yeah. It's been planting all over the grass. As for grass, you have absolutely no grass. It's working. Like the... It's working! Some have said. Okay. And now, I can get my hat code to work! Yes! Oh god, I'm gonna have to learn all the ins and outs of this though, aren't I? Okay, it's gonna be okay. We're gonna get you out of that. It might not be okay. They are talking about the modulo operator. Also known as the remainder operator. I just want to see if my hat code's gonna work. Oh. My hat code does not work in the slightest. We can make this work. We can make this work. We're gonna have to if-else it, boys. There's nothing left to do in this world. If hat is thing. Else. Why is that in all caps? Else. Else. And I'm sure this is going to work. Don't look at... I don't believe in indents. Yeah, no, that... He's got a valid point on that one. I don't believe in indents. They disappoint me. I don't believe in indents. They disappoint me. A colon is... I don't believe in colons. They disappoint me. There isn't enough indent... Please don't talk to me. There isn't enough... Please don't talk to me. Please don't talk to me. No, okay. No, okay. This is not a valid... You're not a valid expression. If the hat... If the hat... If the hat fits, don't change it. This is not a valid expression. It's not a expression. It's a... That's not a valid statement. It's a function. Idiot. Okay, we're gonna take out all the harvesting nonsense because that's not what my code is about. And in the background, he's gonna harvest because I'm a programmer and I love efficiency, some have said. And I know that it goes nowhere. while true, if hat equals... Fuck shit, do I use 1 or 2? Can't do an assignment here. Okay, sick, I'm gonna presume it's 2. If hat equals Steam achievement. If hat equals change hat. What? You be careful there. Okay. If hat... If hat... Change hat. He did not like that. He did not like that. Okay, I gotta take an argument. I'm arguing with your hats. Okay. Change hat, dinosaur hat. I haven't unlocked the dinosaur hat. My code is simply too advanced. It's calling on hats that simply have not been invented yet. Vibe coding with no vibes. Oh, is that what that means? Ah. Hats. Okay, hats. Gray hat. That's gray, yeah. Shut the fuck up, 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 shut the fuck up. Hats, 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 hats. And also... Can't, Okay. So I need to put the hat code in to the get rid of the screams and no, okay, yeah, I understand. That's all right. If and or change my hats. Change my hats. Okay, Slenderman. While true, change hat, change hat, change hat. Okay, so it is scrolling through every single hat whilst pausing. I'd love if you did that at the same time. That'd really just make my day. Collect my 7 hats. Okay, Slenderman. I can figure this out. Stir. No, I can do this. Operators. Boolean operators. To combine... I don't think that... There's gotta be a function that just means and at the same time you're doing that stuff. I don't... What? Huh? What? Huh? And... No, okay. And... No, you can't just put brackets next to something and make it valid. Oh man. I just want him to have a disco party hat whilst he's also doing his unpaid labor. Is that so much for a girl to ask? While true. Change your hats. Okay, Slenderman. Comments. No, because all my comments are just gonna be, ah! For loop. Ranges. While. 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 I can do this. I'm a very smart boy. It's probably just in the skill tree. Oh god, the drone's becoming sentient. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Okay. Unlock. Costs. Utilities. Define my own functions. Import things from other file. So I can import later, once I have parsnips, I'll be able to import my hat technology into my current what the fuck am I talking about? Huh? 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 We're going to save my awesome hat code for later. While true. While true. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is I need my no, those have been carrots the whole time. Before you can plant carrots with plant entities carrot, you have to till the soil. Oh yeah, this is a game about farming as well, I forgot. So we'll change the ground to grounds.soil. To till the soil, call till. Okay. Okay, so... Okay. Okay, so... The close my awesome hat code. I need to... For I, in range of get world size. If you can harvest, harvest. If you can't harvest, move north. And also, till and also plant entities dot carrot. And if you can't do that, like an idiot, then do it, but eastward. Oh. I don't think that it's... I don't think it's giving the carrots time to grow. Okay, so, no, listen, no, hear me out. No, we're gonna fix this. No, I'll have the fix on your desk by Monday, boss. Okay, my code has triggered a warning. You can't plant carrots on the grass, idiot. Okay. I'm sorry. No, that's the wrong code. That's straight up just the wrong... No. Okay, so... No. Actually, I do have carrots. No, I don't. No, no, stop that. Carrots. Carrots. Is it? So it's fucking about... is the farthest I've got to solving this problem. maybe don't till the carrots. You might be onto something. How the fuck do I stop it from doing that? So if you can harvest, then harvest. Otherwise, go north and... But it can't tell yet what is underneath it. I think. No, it can't. Unless it can. Wait, no, I have enough. The drone can see now! Ah! The functions get position X and get position Y return the current X and Y position of the drone. At the start position, they are both in 0. The X position increases by 1 every tile toward east and sick. Okay, get entity type and okay, no, we are restarting the code. So, why did it do that? That's scary. No, what are you doing? While true. Consult the earlier code. This seems important, so I'm gonna just paste that in. For I, in range, get world size. If you can harvest, then harvest. If you can't harvest, no, you should be indented, you idiot. If you can't harvest, then move north and get entity type, and if entity type is equal to carrot. No, wait, no, fuck, what am I doing? Hold on. So if the entity type is okay, does the drone know if the carrots are grown or not? If it's carrots, if entity type is carrots, then colon's expected here. Yeah, no, please stop doing that. You're scaring me. If the entity type is carrots, then move along. Otherwise, till the grass. And no, and don't use a colon, you stupid fuck. And plant entity carrots. Okay. Okay. I have to define a variable type. I haven't looked that in the skill tree yet. Variables. Variables. I need 5 carrots. I need more carrots. I can't get it to figure out what a carrot is until I have more carrots. And I can't get more carrots until I can make it figure out what a carrot is. Except I can, because if get entity type comes back as carrots, then move along. No. If it's entity dot carrots. No. If it's the text known as entity, no. If get entity type, if entity type is No, okay, so if get entity type returns as entity... Is that how you spell entity? It's got a capital letters on it, right? No, it's entities. No, it's entities. No, I spelled it entities. Entitis. I am going to be undone by my lack of grasp on the English language. Thank you for asking. Carrots do not exist. You heard it here first. It's carrot singular. Yeah. If you love, you go to hell. If you love, bro, you will go to hell. I'm fine. I'm doing great. Oh, this is me when I'm in the bleak midwinter. Ah! The non-keyword is... No. I just needed to read the text. Okay, if get entity type parentheses equals entities dot carrot, then move along. I see. I think it's working. And then... Okay, no, and then, no, shut the fuck up. Because then, it, for I in range get worlds... How did I make it go left and right earlier? Oh, no, hear me out. No, I got this. And by this, I mean, for I in... If... Else... No. For I in range, get world size. Move east. I'm so good. I'm just that good. I am so good at carrots. A normal thing to want and achieve. What the fuck do I do now? What do you mean there's an error? You can't plant carrots, idiot. Yeah, okay. I need 1,000 pumpkins? Okay. Expand the farm. Expand the farm again. And make it go far. Not enough carrots. Behold my incredible carrot farm with no flaws whatsoever. It's not inefficient. It's working just fine. Some have said. Okay. So the farm is bigger now. And we're gonna rename my code to Carrot Blast. Because then I'll know that it's the carrot code. So it's... I need more wood or I'm going to die. Straight up. I desperately need more wood. variables. Okay. Variables can be used as thought of as named containers that can hold a value. The operator is used to declare a variable and store it. Okay. The variable carrot equals carrot. I see. Okay, no. Stop harvesting it. I need to think.
What the fuck am I looking at?
So the trees. It'd be nice to have trees, yeah. Be real nice. I hope I live long enough to get trees in this game. Define your own functions. Am I ready to commit to defining my own functions? I know that I am. So I want it to farm more than one thing. You know? So functions. Wait a second. I know what to use my function blast for. No, not you. Not you. Get back here. Yes. No. Def. Define function. And the function's name is hat blast. Now, how do I define a function? It's time to learn how to define a function. It's time for everyone to learn how to define a function. Not just me, but you too. Functions. No, that's not... Built-in functions. What do you mean tuples? You can't just say tuples. I won't understand what that means. Okay, define, what? Okay, there's built-in functions, but I can define something. Okay, we're gonna define the function hat blast. And the hat blast function is going to do that. And whilst true, every time that every time if you can harvest the new hat blast. See, it almost works! Ignore the fact that it doesn't. Ah! I don't understand, and that's okay. But I've defined my hat blast. I just wish it worked the way that I wanted it to. It's literally working. It's not working the way that I envisioned in my dream. I dreamed a dream of hats gone blast. And then I scooched that over there, lol. Okay. Okay, so it is pausing every now and then just to blast through all of its hats like a really cool guy, which is not what I want. I want it to do it whilst it's farming, not... Hurry up! Hurry up! Go through hats faster, idiot! I am running out of wood. Devote a second drone exclusively to hat duty. If only we lived in such an economy. Okay, so... We're running out of wood. So we're not gonna be able to grow any more carrots anymore. So the carrots, right? Yeah. So we're starting a new code, and we're gonna no, we don't need to define Hat Blast right now. I've got bigger things on my mind. So, is this even doing anything? Yeah, while true. So, I want it to... What if all of this was like the wood and then the... Okay, that's x0. So we want x0... No, so we want 0, 0 to 1, 5 to be wood. And then that'd be really cool. And also... while true. So we've got to define the bush area, which is where the wood's gonna grow, as a, not a function, but as a different, cooler thing. What the fuck are you talking about? Okay, we're no, get out of there, Carrot Blast. No, so we're gonna define so we range. No. Yes. No. I can do this, 'cause I'm a very smart boy. Maybe some have said. So we want to define the area of 0, 0 to 1, 5 as being like the forest, the beautiful, beautiful forest. So how do I do that with my letters and numbers? While true. So you maths. We have to do maths, and not that American math. Good British maths with us on it. Operators. So, remember to indent your code, idiot. I still don't know what for I in range get world size actually does, and at this point, I'm too scared to ask. If do you think if I keep staring at my code, eventually it'll just autocomplete? That'd be nice. That'd be real nice. Okay. Pause X. Okay, I'm stealing this straight the fuck up. Okay, so it gets, so whilst true, it gets the X and the Y position, and if pause X if position X is less than 2, so it's 1 or it's 0. So if it's less than 2 and pos Y is less, that doesn't matter. Actually, I've realized I don't care. If position X is less than 2, then we're gonna run the code that does plant and bush is good. And no, I don't need my hat flip code. Then if it can harvest, it does harvest. Else it moves and it plants a bush. And then I can do this. I just have to define the variable of position X. A variable I was really hoping it would already define for me. Get world size. Not important. If senses. Okay, so it hasn't defined shit. So it's okay, while true, we are going to get position X and get position Y. And it's defining X there, because I'm a genius. My God. And it's actually harvesting shit. It's a miracle. So, and it moves north and it plants entity bush. And then it'll move east. So then eventually, okay, I'm gonna run the code and it's gonna stop working after we get around here because that'll mean that X is equal to 2, which it doesn't want to be. Yes, it got confused, which is what I wanted. If X is 2, otherwise, else, if you can harvest, then harvest. Else, no, not like that. No, not like that. Plant entities, carrot. And also till the soil. Okay, so there's a small... Well, that's not my problem, is it? So I'm, noticing, it's not a... It's doing something real weird. I can fix this. It's... If I just stop it from moving east, then it'll get confused and not work at all. And I also don't think it's harvesting the carrots. And that's... fine. Because we'll just have it check. That what it's over isn't a carrot. So, we're gonna take this. No, we're not. That's the wrong... We're gonna take this. No, that's the error log. We're gonna take my carrot blast, and we're gonna... And if entity type equals... Oh, God. Okay. So if it's in the range of this X coordinate, then it's not gonna plant carrots. The movement being tied to the kind of crop it's trying to plant might have been a problem. While true, move north. Move east. No, I fucked it. No, I've completely and utterly fucked it. No, that's the no, start that again. Move north. Move north a second time. Eventually, it will hit every single square. And then... And... If you're in this range and you can harvest, then harvest. Otherwise... Well, no, if can harvest, then harvest, then why is it planting over my carrots when they're not even fully grown? No, it's not. It's a bit confused. But it is planting stuff in the right areas. I can do this. I can do this. Till undoes the till. Okay. Okay, so we can do this. And by we, I mean me. Me can do this. And also, so we're gonna actually get rid of that. We've decided we don't care. Because what we're gonna do... Senses... This... Z... expand. For I in range get world size. This is where it comes in. Indent all of that. So it's fucked up. For I in range world size. Get the X and Y positions. If X is bigger than 2, go fuck yourself. What are we trying to do? This is why you're meant to like write a thing trying to be like, this is what I want the code to do. This is why they make you do that. I don't even know what I'm trying to write anymore. I don't think anyone ever did. Wow. Okay, so here's the dream. Let's explain this with our English words. I want it to check a tile, and then if it's in this range, it'll plant bushes, and if it's not, it'll plant carrots. And if it checks a tile and can harvest a tile, it'll do it, and if it can't, then it'll go home. I wish I could go home now, but I work from home. I am in a constant state of fear. So so while true. No, shut the fuck up. Stop thinking in my general direction. I can't. I'm trying to concentrate here. For I in range. The So we're starting a new code. While true. My code has begun screaming. I'm gonna yeah. So, no, I understand. It's okay. So, while true, enter the loop. If I can get it to figure out how to move across the board nicely, I win, some have said. I just want to find out what happens if I do this. Oh, that's not ominous at all. I think that might be a bad sign. Oh. Oh no. Stop that. Stop that. I don't want this. Okay. So, while true. I can only get us so far as while true. That's the limit of my abilities. xy equals get pos x, get pos y if x or y is equal to get world size plant, then till and plant carrot, else move north. No, that you fucked it. No, you fucked it again. I think it's a bit confused. I don't think it understands the assignment. Okay. Wait, no. If x or y equals get what? No, I wanted to. Why did I write that? Am I stupid? That means that it only does shit when it's in like one place. Oh no. Oh, why is Miku here? Oh, that's the only thing that could have made this worse. I'm thinking Miku. I'm fine. I'm having a great. Hi, welcome in. Happy Fortnite Friday to all those who celebrate. You just got done watching a guy who owns a computer. I'm trying to code a computer right now. Here is my stupid robot that only knows how to plant carrots in one spot. It can't even do that anymore. I've run out of money. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna define the function Miku. And the function Miku makes it do a flip. And every time that it returns the wrong fucking value because you did your maths wrong, Miku. Okay, yeah, no, that's and we wanted to do a flip. No, you fucked it. No, you've... No, you fucked it. I got a Steam achievement. I don't understand what I did. Thank you very much. Wrong code, you do a flip instead. Okay, do a flip if you're so goddamn smart. I meant what I fucking said. Where am I? Okay. Whoa! Okay, no, we're gonna use the Miku function. No, we're gonna use a Miku function. We're gonna define Miku as meaning literally anything. Hatsune Miku is in my code now. She can help me. I don't sound deranged. You sound deranged. Okay, so it's gonna get, while true, it's going to get the X and Y position. If the X or Y position is less than the size of the world, which is 6. So if it's not at 6, we're gonna worry about the repercussions of this later. Then it'll do a flip. Then it'll do a flip. I see the problem here. We can fix this. Okay, and then it moves north. And then it gets a bit confused. But that means that okay, if we trigger the else then it's just gonna print. Ah! It is not. The drone is not screaming in pain. What have I done wrong? It's probably. Is it just that I don't know how to use fucking triangles good? No, it's. If it equals get world size. No, you can't do that. If it, nope, you can't. What are you even trying to do? That's not quick maths. Why is my droid not screaming? Hatsune Miku would be able to solve this. I know Hatsune Miku would be able to solve this. I'm doing, okay, so if the let me just move my keyboard real quick. Yeah, I'm you just give me a second, I'm just gonna Okay. Okay. I can do this. I can do this. The last one was my hands, not my head. The rest were my head. I'm fine. Print the chords every step. Wait a second. What? No, stop screaming. Print X Y 3 3 3 4 3 5. No, that's not. No, what the fuck you... Droid, what the fuck are you talking about? That's not... I need it to print before it moves. I also worry if maybe doing the flip is confounding things. 3 5. Sick. What the fuck do I do with this information? Miku, Miku, please come save me, Miku. So, if I... Okay, now I'm going into my mind palace. I'm gonna do a brainwave. Okay. If it goes to the... If... Shut the fuck up. Okay. So, if X equals get... No, not you. World... size... Bracket, bracket, sad face. Then awesome, sick. Good for you. You're at the edge of the world. Congratulations. Then move north, move east. Else, just move north. It didn't like that. No. World side is 6 and the chords go 0 to 5, so it's always wrong. Stupid fucking shitty computer that I hate. World size. if x minus 1. No, it didn't like that. If x plus 1. No, it didn't like that. That's x, you want y. Local child does not understand the concept of the x-axis. I'm thinking me, I'm thinking me, I'm thinking I'm thinking I'm not, in fact, on top of the world because of this. I'm really going through it right now, let me tell you what. But I've solved the mystery. Now all I gotta do is get the rest of the fucking code to work if you're so goddamn smart. And and I can define this. If I remember how. No, okay, no, bear with me. I can, no, functions, no, and I can define. Finally, she's here. While, no, not capital, while true. While true. Miku has come to save my farm. Thank God someone did! Yes. Yes! Yes! I'm the smartest man in the entire world! But yeah, now I gotta get the rest of the goddamn code working if I'm so goddamn smart. Okay, so Miku will help us. She's guiding us through the farm. I'm thinking Miku Uyu country remix. And then, while true, if x is less than 3, colon. This, for the record, is how I'm feeling right now. If x is less than 3, then, oh, for fuck's sake, okay, I gotta remember how the phone works, okay. If can harvest, then do. We'll leave the movement up to Miku. No, you got it. Miku. X. No, that's not how you... I can do this. Some have said. It only exists locally inside the function. What the fuck does that mean? X is in the scope of Miku only. Well, yeah, it's her world. We're just living in it. What? Okay, so we're gonna take that out of here. Okay, so it's gonna define it outside of Miku. Why are you not moving? Why are you not moving? Why are you not moving? I got it. What? Okay, so if I... Why is it not doing the thing that I'm asking it to do? Curious, is it not? Okay. Change that back, because... Fuck me, I guess. So, y plus 1 is never get world size. Is it y minus 1? Did I fumble it? That wasn't it. You're just unskilled. Okay. They're not being updated. Oh, yeah. Miku, define X and Y, Miku. I sure wish that anything I did worked. Miku, why is it not working, Miku? Maybe if I move the thing below you. No. Okay, so the... So, I'm just gonna have that happen twice. It can just keep getting position X and Y. It's fine. It can do that. No, it can't. So it's getting what? So it's getting the oh, I've fumbled this, haven't I? No, I can do this. I'm thinking Miku, I'm thinking Waltru. Okay, that's technically working as expected, because I know that I haven't coded it to fuck around with the carrots. Oh my god, I gotta figure out how to make it plant carrots and grass in different areas. Oh, no. No. I can...
Theoretically.
If... Shut the fuck up for 5 goddamn seconds. If y is between the values. How do I define between the values? Not carrots. Arithmetic. Comparison. If y. If y is favorite. If y is smaller than 4, then plant entities RAS. That's not gonna work, but I don't know why. But I know that it won't. So let's ignore it! Else! Yeah, that's fair. Bring me a cone. So I appear to have completely fucked it. I can do this. Again, let me just move my keyboard. I can do this! So, if X is less than 3, I want it to plant carrots. If it's... If X is... 3 or equal to 3 or equal to 3 and Y is more than 4 and do a flip. Don't mind me just fixing me code. Not like that, you're not. Not like that, you're not. I am... Okay, so we need it to Miku it up, baby. So that it won't just be stuck doing flips forever. See, Miku has come to save us. And by us, I mean none of us. Because none of us can be saved anymore. So. Why are you doing flips? I did not ask you to do that! Ah! But you did. Yeah, no, that's the problem. I do understand. Okay. So... I don't want it to do a flip here. I'd really rather it did the job that I wanted it to. Why are you not planting anything? Okay, so... Am I gonna have to define a new and radical function, Miku2? Or maybe the crocodile is just the wrong way round. I don't think that helped. No. What? That did not help. Arguably, that might have made things worse in a new and intuitive way. Okay. Why not Tato instead of Miku? Okay. Tato, whose signature food is famously carrots and not baguettes, is... She's gonna be in charge of the carrot farm. We might even get the yellow one in on this. You know, the yellow one from Miku. So we're gonna put this in Tato. And while true... Tato. I mean... if it's done anything, arguably it's just made it even less efficient. So... No, you're not meant to put that there. Okay. So... Miku actually defines pos X and pos Y by herself because she's really cool. No, I did not ask you to plant a bush there! That's not what I want! If X is smaller than 3, which means I've been on the wrong axis this entire time, haven't I? Oh. Oh, Wait, maybe I'm double stupid. No. Maybe... I might have just got the number wrong. No. No, it's replacing everything with grass. No, that's not... That... No. No. No, that's not. No. I can fix this. It's just a simple mathematics. Or two. No, I don't need to put Miku up here because Tato is already performing the function of Miku. The hip new Utaloid. Which one was she again? Fuck. Ha ha. One. No, he's just doing a flip. No, he's just doing a flip every single time. No, what are you doing? Oh, this really might be beyond me. Okay, I can do this. So, if we delete everything else, and also actually make it so the code can run. So, Miku is helping it to... Miku makes it know where it is. So that if it gets to the top of the farm, then it will return to the bottom of the farm. Yes. And also go along a bit. Sick. So, while true, Miku, then we're gonna have the algorithm that... I say algorithm, it doesn't mean anything. We're going to have Kasane Teto. She is going to... The Tato word of the day is... Tato says... If X is equal to or above... No, fuck. If X is below... No, that's above. If X is above... If 2 is bigger than X... If can harvest, then harvest. And then Miku. Else. If cannot harvest. If... Oh, fuck me. Okay. Census. If... Then get entity type. If entity type is... is entity's carrot, then move along. No, not like that. Else. No, you fucked it. Else. Till the soil and plant entities dot carrot. And then Miku. While true, Miku Tato. Come on, baby, come on. No, it's doing nothing! Well, fuck me, I guess. It's probably not updating this, is it? Okay. Okay. No, but Miku should be updating itself! Miku, come on, man! Tato doesn't know X. Okay. Tato can now define X for herself. I'm very proud of you, Sweaty. So now Tato will know. Explicitly not what I asked you to do. So well, it's got the right area, that's something. So if the area is in here, if it can harvest, it will harvest, and then it'll Miku move. If it doesn't, whoops. None of them are carrots. Can I just comment all of this out? Let's... Don't look at Miku, woo. If it can harvest, it will harvest. If it can't harvest, harvest and then plant entities dot... And I actually wanted it to plant bushes, but I'm stupid. If not, then it moves along and gets on with its day. No, it's not doing anything. Okay. I'm thinking, did I forget to let Tato define X and Y? I think I might have. Who are you? Tato, what? Tato, why are you only planting in every other? Why are you doing that? Are you stupid? Okay. Tato is only planting in places it can harvest. What? Because Tato is Mikuing. I don't understand what this means anymore. You gotta get the Miku out of the Tato. I don't understand what that means anymore. Stop that. Get some help. Okay, so instead of Mikuing, we're gonna have it do a flip. And instead of Mikuing, we're gonna have it do a flip.
Why are you... Why are you... Why?
But why did you skip those guys? But... Why are you skipping? What? Okay, no, it's only planting in places it can harvest. So actually... I'm thinking... Like with my brain, like, okay, so now it's gonna plant a bush anywhere that it needs to plant a bush. I hope It's doing it, yeah. Okay. So. Then how the fuck do I get to do the rest of the shit that I need to? Okay. Have you already programmed bubble sort? Not now!
So I'm just gonna take this and get this out of here.
Okay, so Tato is Tato's plant are trees and shit. Now, we're gonna define, is that necessary? Actually, maybe Tato can do everything. Maybe she's multi-talented like that. There's no else in my if-else statement. Curious. Is it not? Okay. If x is less than 2, because the crocodile always used the bigger number. If x is less than 2, but else if x is greater than or equal, no, equal to 2, and y, no, the existence of it being in an else statement already would mean that it is equal or greater than 2. Okay, so if y, I think you'll find if y is between, if y is less than or equal to 2. We don't need you to do a flip no more. The bug testing flips will now be in this part of the code. If it is in this area, it will do a flip. Otherwise, it will scream expletives. Oh, wait, no, I made a spelling mistake in my code. 1 second. There we go. Should run properly now. So it does a flip. And it gets really upset if it's outside the specified range. Oh, Jesus Christ, Drone, you can't just say that. Oh, God, what's Tedo been teaching you? Okay, but it understands. So, if it's in the lower range, we're gonna call that the grass range. Then, if can harvest, and plant entities.grass. If it cannot harvest, what the fuck do I do if it can't harvest? Then plant grass and otherwise scream the F word. Nope. Okay. It might be working. My extremely upset drone might just be working. But is it going to understand what to do when it reaches this bush? Yes. And it doesn't have any instructions for when it gets into this area, so it just starts crying. So, then, else. Okay, home stretch. If it is not in this range, and it's not also in this range, then if it can harvest, then do that, fucko. And then plant entities carrot. No, that should be fine. And if it is not can harvest, then till the soil and plant those carrot. Keto will feed us in the cold winter. Let's... Don't mind me. Let's fucking... He's I know you're not, you don't appear to be, planting any carrots. Which is... Shut the fuck up. Because if I just till the soil... Why didn't it do... I needed to detect whether or not the soil is already tilled. Okay. Last step. I can do this. I'm a very smart grown man. If can harvest and... Yes. No, don't do that. Yes. One day I'll get my hat code working. And get entity type equals entities dot... No, not like that. Items, ground type. And get ground type equals grounds dot soil. So if it can harvest and it is tilled, then harvest and plant some delicious carrots. And if no, I've got this. And if No. You fool. Using ands is for cowards. If can harvest, then we make another if. Is it good code? Fuck no. Is it going to work? Most likely not. But if ground type equals grounds dot soil, then harvest and plant some delicious carrots. Else, which means that it can harvest, but the ground is not tilled, then harvest and then till the soil and then plant delicious carrots. If I can spell the word carrots. And if you can't harvest, you stupid fool, you buffoon that you are, then then do a flip, man. I don't know. I don't got no one in me anymore. But this is gonna work! And it's planting the carrots, and it's planting the carrots, and it's planting that stuff in the right place where I want it to, and it's planting the wood, and that's good because I asked it to politely. And what's it gonna do when it gets to the hay? It's just gonna replace it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I've done it. I'm a genius. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is my life's work. And you know what? I think I deserve one more function. We are going to define Akita Neru. And what Akita Neru is going to do is that she's just going to print no. Akita Neru. It's gonna change hat. I don't care to what. It's probably gonna ask me to define which hat I want to change to. That needs a space. That doesn't, why is that in? She's just gonna change the hat. Wow. No, she completely breaks my code. Sick. Okay. So, hats. This is gonna be my challenge. I need to get my funky hat logic working, and I need to get it working now. The program is due on my boss's office in -5 minutes. I gotta get this shit done now. How the fuck do I do that? Hat. 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 That doesn't... I don't believe in that. I don't believe in tuples. None of that is in the Bible. Functions. Do I? It's here. I need 1,000 pumpkins. No! My hat code. It's never gonna work. My hat code is just too advanced. It's too of its time or not of its time. How do I even get pumpkin? No, I am not doing that. I've changed my mind. Neru is just every... Hats dot... Every... I can make this work. It doesn't have to be good. It just has to work. We're gonna define a new Vocaloid. The green one. It doesn't like my spaces at all. So every time we go through the code, it's going to pull the function, the green one. And the green one is just going to change my hat to a wizard hat. And it's just going to work. I did not like that lag. Oh, no, oh, no. I think I've become confused. That's not what I... At some point in every young boy's life, he truly learns to accept the meaning of good enough. This, right here, is good enough. It works, and the hats change sometimes. I did it. I did it. And therefore no one can criticize me. Ah! I really did just win the stream. Yeah! Oh no. I think, you know what? I did good today. That was all me. I'm the smartest code man that ever coded a man. Incredible. Ah. I think... You can't be telling me that now. You cannot be telling me that now. I choose not to see. I choose not to see, and therefore I do not see. Because I choose not to. Oh dear. I think that's enough. I think I'm going to leave things there for now, because otherwise I am going to, and this is true, explode. It's not... I'm really not feeling very Miku Miku. I've had all of the Miku Miku beaten out of me by the harsh cruelty of the world. Oh dear. Oh no. Very scary. But yeah, I'm gonna leave things there for tonight. Remember that I don't even remember anymore, man. All I have in my brain is evil Python. Which I think is just regular Python, actually. Yeah, just evil Python. Oh dear. Yes, reminder that the merch, it's the merch. Look at the... I'm tired, my brain hurts. Reminder to never code anything, because it's not worth it. That's what we've learned today. I'm gonna go lie down with a migraine patch on my head, and I'm gonna send you over to Lime. And I got nothing else left in me, man. And remember, kids, until next time, I'm thinking Miku, Miku, we are